Good day and welcome to day 3 Casino Online Application. As a student of the T-Bird Training Center Casino Division, you are guaranteed employment if you successfully complete 240 hours of the Casino Table Games Professional course. Pass your auditions at the T-Bird Center and a live audition at the Bally's Casino. The first step towards this is to apply to our partnering casinos, Bally's or Golden Nugget Casino, to obtain your offer letter of employment by following the steps below and also uploading a PDF copy of your resume completed in the previous assignment. If you do not have a license yet, leave this area blank. Bally's and Golden Nugget is aware you will be obtaining the license once you receive your offer letter. So, let's get into the instructions. Click on the link below to complete the Bally's application. So here's our first one, Bally's. And we highly recommend Bally's because that's a great training ground if you have no experience. So here we have it. Here's their link. You simply go here and click on Apply Now. Once you apply, you're going to go in and any area you see with an asterisk, you're going to fill that information out. And please be accurate with your information. If for some reason you do not complete this in a timely manner and accurately, it will kick your application out and they will never get it on their desk. If they don't get it on their desk, then they can't create the offer letter for you or schedule your orientation. Number 2, upon completion, take a screenshot of the final screen that indicates you have successfully completed the online application. So again, here is the link for Bally's, and once you click on it, you get the application platform. Golden Nuggets, you're going to see several positions available. Look for dealer and apply for that one. Your next step is number 5. Send an email to Peter with a screenshot of your submission and ccbird.trina and bird.rick18@gmail. Once I receive your email, I will contact Peter to be on the lookout for your email for processing, and I will update you via email or the Google Classroom platform. Step 6 is to print your email that you sent to Peter with CCing Rick and myself in PDF format and turn that into Google Classroom for grading. The last step is number 7. Upon receipt of your offer letter, send a copy to bird.rick and Casino Division, T-Bird Casino Division, and turn in a copy of that offer letter into Google Classroom. And you will have successfully completed your online application and you are in position to now get your casino license as well as your orientation date. That concludes these procedures for day 3, Casino Online Application. Thank you and have a great day.